Transferring XRP from Binance to Coinbase is a straightforward process. To begin, open the Binance app and click on the wallet option or icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a new screen where you need to select the Support option, followed by choosing XRP from the available options. Next, click on the Withdraw button at the bottom of the screen, which will prompt a window to pop up with two options. Select the crypto network. Then, you will need to enter the wallet address from your Coinbase account. To do this, open your Coinbase wallet. Click on the search icon and search for XRP. Select XRP. Then click on the Receive button, which will display the QR code or wallet address. Click on the Copy Address button, and then paste the wallet address into the box on the Binance app. It's crucial to ensure that the network on both Binance and Coinbase is the same, as selecting different networks will prevent the transfer of your cryptocurrency. Once the wallet address is entered, select the network, enter the amount you wish to transfer, and click on the Confirm button. You will then be prompted to review the details of the transfer, including the amount and address, before confirming the order. After completing these steps, your XRP will be successfully transferred from Binance to Coinbase.